I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Ford Fiesta. Really good system, pretty simple to use as well. You can either go into menu and go down to, let's see, I always end up trying to turn this when you need to operate it from this. There's 4 arrows, obviously, takes you in whichever way you want. You've got sync applications there and sync settings there, and you've got Bluetooth. So at the top there, there's a tick in the Bluetooth box. If you're having any trouble pairing a device, then you just need to make sure there's a tick in that box. But we just go down to the next one, Bluetooth devices, click OK in the middle, and you see there, that's my phone, which is highlighted at the top. If I wanted to delete the next one, I'd highlight that. So highlight my phone, Barry's iPhone, and then you've got add, delete and connect at the bottom. Now those instructions at the bottom correspond to these buttons here, and that's not always immediately obvious. You're kind of pressing here trying to get it in anyway. So the first one is add, second one's delete, so delete. And then you've got yes and no. Yes on the far left, no on the far right. So no would be there and yes is here. Click yes. That's it. That's my phone deleted. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio, the sync system in this 2014 Ford Fiesta. First thing we do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, and then we're watching here at the bottom, but you can go into phone. You see there's nothing connected, no phones connected, so it's asking me if I want to add one. So again, you've got the bottom instructions, add, BT, which is Bluetooth, or close. We want to add a phone, so that's that button there.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
Right, sync's come up there, sync's popped up. We'll just click that.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So that's 241408. It'd be unusual if it was I suppose you could pick up a car next door. So click there, and then you've got yes and no, so we need to click yes there. Do you want your contacts and favorites to sync? I won't be using the car again, but you will, so you click allow.
For your safety, please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
Set Barry's iPhone 11 as the favourite phone. So if two of you get in the car, then it's going to, and you're both in the memory, it's going to choose yours. I'm just going to show you how to stream music from your phone through the Bluetooth audio system in the Ford Fiesta. So first of all, you've got to go to iTunes. Now, it used to be quite easy to see and describe to people, because that there used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles around the top, but for some reason my phone's just been updated and it's gone to silver. But you see there sync at the bottom. It's quite hard to see, but if I click on that, sync, so there's a tick next to it, so whatever you play on your phone will come through the sound system here if you want it to. So we'll go back to the record. I've turned it down. Now you have to click, if you're on radio or anything, you have to click auxiliary. That's saying play music from auxiliary in. So you have to press aux a couple of times sometimes. Sometimes it'll come straight onto your Bluetooth phone. Sometimes you have to press it a couple of times. So click that,
USB.
Click it again. There you go. It's we've just scrolled round to what's playing on my phone here, and now I'm going to turn this up. But there you go. That's just to prove it's playing, but I can't leave it playing too long, otherwise I'd get a copyright strike. But as you can see, it's playing there through the system. That's it. It's a real good system and fairly easy to use. Thanks for watching.